caught in a vicious circle from poverty to indifferences to greed to injustice. Now they are caught in a vicious circle. They are not able to come out of it. They are too poor. They are so poor that they have become indifferent to their poverty. They don't have any dreams. They don't have any hopes because they don't know how to get out of it. To greed, to injustice. The saukars, the politicians, the rich people, the middlemen, they are greedy. They give these people very less and keep maximum profit to themselves. And because of this, these poor laborers are treated very unjustly. Children, victim of two worlds. First, born in poverty-ridden family, burdened with stigma of caste. Now they are victims of two worlds because they are poor, they are very poverty-ridden, and they are also burdened with the stigma of caste. They have this black mark of caste also. Caste system is also like a black mark on these poor children. Second, victims of no hope situation. Because they don't get any education, there is no hope of any improvement in their situation. Ruled by saukars, middlemen, politicians, policemen, bureaucrats, all these people are responsible for keeping them in this vicious circle of poverty. Courage dissolved, backbone broken. So ultimately, what is the result? They have no courage. Their backbone is also broken. That is, they have no way of getting out of breaking this vicious circle. Desire to dream and dare snubbed in childhood. They have no hope. So they don't know any way out. They have also stopped dreaming because of this. Mukesh, an exception. The author feels a little hopeful when Mukesh says that he does not want to remain a bangle maker. He wants to change, aspires to be a motor mechanic. Now he has a desire to become a motor mechanic. Also realizes that dreaming of aeroplanes would be overreaching himself. When the author asks him, do you want to also drive an aeroplane? That was beyond him. So he does not think of aeroplanes. Ironically, few planes fly over Firozabad. He keeps seeing motor cars and he wants to learn how to drive a motor car and become a motor mechanic.